Hi guys, so Paul is in Asda. I'll just show you that, in Asda. I am having to get used to this new little selfie stick thing that I'm using, so it's a little bit shaky, so you'll have to get used to that, or I'll have to get used to it not being shaky. So we are in Asda at the moment. Paul's just going to get some drinks. We are on our way to the Battle of Britain air show at Headcorn, which is a local air show to us. There should be some sort of World War II planes there, Spitfires, Messerschmitts, things like that. I'll do some photos and some video for you, and so yeah, hopefully it should be a good day. So here we are, this is where we're sitting, near where they do the helicopter flights. Spin you around.
We're going to walk down this, we'll walk right down the docks. I think there's more stuff down the bottom next when we've been down there.
And here's Paul. So this is where we're sitting. We've got our little mat that we picked up, and yeah, so we're gonna do, okay, not picked up, we bought it from B&M. Actually it was quite good. We bought this for £6 from B&M, and they're selling them just about a few metres from where we are, and they are selling them for 10, so we subsequently saved £4. But yep, so this is where we're sitting. We'll take you some videos and we'll take some photos for you.
Spitfires. That's going to be around 2:45 this afternoon. Demonstration, which will be the aeronautics.
I got some. Oh.
That one's not too bad.
I did.
What you do, bub? You're all right, Red.
Community.
Yeah, I got it.
Here we go. Right, next week.
Bailed out near Orbeck. Jimmy was hidden from the Germans by farmers who contacted the local resistance. Jimmy Jeffrey was taken to the Hotel de Ville, Orbeck, and given a... And she joined 234 Squadron in 1945 on the 26th of July. It's thought that she took part in the 1945 Battle of Britain fly past over London.